What's up, guys? Brad from the Oldsols here. We're out in the garage. I am like decked out in cold gear because it snowed yesterday in Nebraska and it's like 30 degrees now. And the Del Sol is at a new shop. So we got to load up a whole bunch of stuff, grab. I need some washers, tables, lights. Let's see, jack, some cleaning, and we're gonna head to the shop and start loading stuff up there because I need to have stuff there to work on. Gonna load up in the Subi, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, so let's load up the Subi with all the gear. Subaru. Light, table. Something fell out of the Subi. Man, it just sucks that winter is like almost here. Like, I want summer to be back already. It's ridiculous. Drill charger. Oh no, the vape. Oh God. It's okay. Oh my God, it's stuck. Look at all this. Look at all these. Cali Souls, Hoonigan, Midwest Honda Enthusiasts, Del Sol page, Cali Del Sols again, a cool CRX, Honda Nations, Oldsols, Soul Society. That's a new one, I think. Hopefully that guy gets it going because that would be awesome. We need more Del Sol groups, clubs, fan bases, whatever. But we do need these Password JDM washers. I just hit that. Boop. Alright. We are in the Subi. I'll tell you what, this isn't a Subaru video, but they make a dope ass Outback, that's for sure. Made it to the shop, guys. There's a truck in here. That's John. This is his area. And my Del Sol's way in the back. But it's better than nothing, guys. Better than not having my Del Sol. Better than not being able to work on it. All that stuff. So I'm fortunate he's letting me use it. And this is where it's going to live this winter. So pretty excited about that. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on. He's completely redoing this first gen Ram, so it's pretty exciting. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the coyotes are howling outside. It's kind of creepy. I don't know, I can't hear him anymore. Probably think I'm lying. I think the only thing I'm going to keep on this hood, because a tree slammed on it right here, and I'm not going to fix that. I'm just going to buy a new hood. So it's my friend John. Say hey. I think I'm just going to keep this seal because it's in pretty good shape, and I don't know if these are hard to find or not. So I'm sure I get one on my new hood, but just to be safe, I'm going to keep it. So, but so why? I know. Can I wear it as a cape and jump off the barn? You got it? Yep, I got it. Mac Daddy. Guys, I got the hood. We got that GD hood off this GD car. Oh. Got it. Oh, that felt good, Brad. You want to do it? No. Yeah, do it. Get it out of your system. Alright, so here's this. I can't work in these conditions! Stop yelling! Here's this weather stripping. I think it's weather stripping. I don't really know. But we'll save that. Alright guys, so things are looking a little crazy here on the old Del Sol, but I've started identifying all the spots that I need to clean up. We got to fill all these holes in, sand it all down. I need to attach my lip, finally, this Mugen lip that I bought. I'm going to use the black Password JDM washers, and I think I'm just going to go one here, here, and here, and then a couple on the side, just so we can get those attached. And I think that's what we're going to do tonight, and call it a day. I've just started identifying what all I've got to sand here. I mean, pretty much every single part of this car we got to sand. There's just stuff everywhere. But that's part of the fun of it. So that's what I'm doing this winter. Just we're going to sand it all down, get it ready for paint, and second thoughts on the lip. I'm going to leave it off because I got to sand this down anyway, so there's no point in sanding, or there's no point in putting the lip back on when I'm just going to sand. Then I'll put it on before I prime and paint and all that stuff. So got Biggie up in the house, and I'm going to get to sanding. Alright guys, so we got the bumper and a little bit of the fender done, but there's got a long ways to go. We just wanted to see everything of how it would look when we sanded it for the first time, and you can just see all these little high spots, low spots, everything that's ever happened to this car. It kind of tells the story once you actually sand it. So you don't see any of this, like you didn't see any of that when it wasn't sanded. So it's kind of crazy to see all this, but we're getting there, and long process, but a long winter. So until next, God fucking, God! I can just edit it though.
Yeah, just say until next time.
Until next time, guys. Check you later. Peace.